Hello everyone. I hope you are healthy, fit and fine. You might have watched the previous video of GK and understood it well and started studying. Let's start today's class. Let us continue with Unit 2. Topic 11. Birds and their beaks. Birds are beautiful animals that can fly. Their body is divided into three parts: head, trunk and a tail. They have two pairs of limbs, the legs and the wings. Most birds catch and hold their food with their beak. Birds' beak have a great range of specialized shapes to catch and eat different kinds of food. A beak is used for eating and for preening, manipulating objects, killing prey, fighting, probing for food, courtship and feeding young. In the exercise given below, we have to read the clues and unscramble the names of the birds and write their name in the given space. The first clue is, I have a large head, short neck and a curved beak. I eat fruits and my strong beak helps me to crack seeds and nuts. I am renowned for my talking abilities. The letters are given here and we have to unscramble the word. It is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. We will write in the space given parrot. Question number 2. I have a long, heavy and brightly colored curved beak. The pattern of my feathers is black, grey or white. I eat fruits, snake, lizards and insects. This bird is hornbill. H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L. We will write in the space given hornbill. Number 3. I am known for my habit of pecking on the tree trunks with my beak. This helps me to find insects under the bark. I use my beak to dig holes for my nest in the tree trunks. The bird is woodpecker. We will write in the space given woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. Question number 4. My brightly marked giant beak is the most prominent feature of my body. I use it to pick berries. The inside of my beak are shaped like honeycombs, making it strong yet lightweight. The bird is toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N. We will write in the space given toucan. Let us move to the next topic. Topic number 12 are organ systems. An organ system consists of group of organs that work together in our body for it to function properly. Various organ systems of human body are circulatory system, respiratory system, muscular system, nervous system, digestive system, skeleton system, etc. Let us study about some of these organ systems in the given exercise. We have to match the picture with the organ system. The first picture is showing the circulatory system. Circulatory system helps us to carry things from one part of the body to the other part. The parts of this system are the heart, artery, veins and blood. The heart works like a pump and pushes the blood into the tubes called arteries, and arteries carries blood to different parts of the body. The veins carry the blood back to the heart. We will match the first picture A with one circulatory system. The second picture is the picture of digestive system. The digestive system helps us to digest the food we eat. The organs in this system are the mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestine and rectum. We will match B with number 5, digestive system. The third picture is showing muscular system. All movement in the body is controlled by muscles. All the muscles together make up the body's muscular system. A muscular system is an organ system consisting of skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscles. It permits movement of the body, maintains posture and circulates blood throughout the body. We will match C with third, muscular system. Fourth picture is showing the nervous system. The nervous system is to control and coordinate the working of the other systems. It is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. The brain is the computer of the body. It receives information from the organs through the nerves and sends signals to the other organs to work. We will match D with number 4, nervous system. Fifth picture shows the respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us to intake air and use oxygen from it. The organs of this system are nose, larynx, windpipe and lungs. The lungs are like balloons that can inflate and deflate. We will match E with 2, respiratory system. Let's move to the next topic. It is science quiz. We have to read the question and we have to tick the correct answer from the given options. Number 1. Which family of animals does a zebra belongs to? It is horse family. Zebra belongs to a horse family. We will tick the answer A. Question number 2. Of the following animals, which one is not found in the polar regions? The options are reindeer, polar bear, lizard and seal. Reindeer, polar bear and seal, they all are found in the polar regions and lizards are not found in the polar region. We will mark the answer C and put tick mark in the space given. Question number 3. Of the following animals, which one lay eggs? The answer is snake, as dog, cow and elephant, they all give birth to the young one and snake lay eggs. We will tick answer A in the space given. Number 4. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. We will tick the answer B. Question number 5. What pumps blood to all parts of our body? It is heart. The heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. We will tick the answer D. Question number 6. How many types of teeth does a mature person have? It is 4 types of teeth. Incisors, canines, molars and premolars. These are the 4 types of teeth which a mature person have. We will tick the answer B, 4. Question number 7. Of the following food items, which one is not included in pulses? Here the options are rajma, sugar, beans and grams. Rajma, beans and grams are pulses. So the answer is B, sugar. We will tick the answer B. Question number 8. Of the following things, which one is sold by weight? The options are milk, oil, vegetable and juice. Here, the milk, oil and juice, they are the liquids. So, they are measured in volume, that is liters. So, here the answer is vegetable. Vegetable is solid and it is measured in weight, that is in kg. So, we will take the answer B, vegetable. Question number 9. Of the following things, which one does not dissolve in water? Here the options are sand, sugar, salt and ice. Sugar, salt and ice, they are easily dissolved in water, whereas sand does not dissolve in water. We will take the answer A, sand. Question number 10. Of the following things, which one is made by man? Here the option is plastic, petroleum, coal and wood. The petroleum, coal and wood, they are the natural resources and plastic is manufactured by men. So we will tick the answer A, plastic. Let's move to the next topic. Meet the planets. The solar system consists of sun and all other objects that travels around sun. These objects includes planets, asteroids, natural satellites, meteoroids, comets, dwarf planets, dust and gases. Everything in the solar system revolves around the sun. The sun is a star, a massive ball of a hot gas that gives off light and heat. There are 8 planets that orbit around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury and the farthest away is Neptune. The biggest planet is Jupiter and the smallest planet is Mercury. Let us know something more about solar system. We have to fill in the blanks by reading the clues given. Number 1. All planets move around it. It is sun. All the planets move around the sun. We will write in the space given sun. Number 2. The planets that is farthest from the sun. The farthest planet is Neptune. We will write in the space given Neptune. Number 3. The brightest planet that can be seen without a telescope. The brightest planet is Venus. We will write in the space given Venus. Number 4. The planet on which we live. We live on the planet Earth. We will write in the space given Earth. Number 5. The smallest planet. The smallest planet is Mercury. We will write in the space given Mercury. Number 6. The planet that has rings around it. The planet which has ring around it is Saturn. We will write in the space given Saturn. Number 7. The planet that is known as the red planet. Red planet is Mars. We will write in the space given Mars. Number 8. The fixed path along which the planet moves. The fixed path is called orbit. The planets move around the orbit. We will write in the space given orbit. With this, we come to the end of Unit 2. Now, I have some homework for you. In page number 16, An exercise is given, Brain Gym. In this, various riddles are given. You have to try to solve these riddles.
Now it's time to end the class. Go through the PDF given in the description box and complete all the exercise given. We will meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.